Hello everyone, this side Priyanka and welcome back to our channel Yumi Academy, and please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon because here you will get an honest information. And today I am here with one more video, that is how to register COVID vaccine online in India. Let's start on today's topic. First, you will enter the URL selfregistration.cowin.gov.in. Then enter your mobile number and click Get OTP button. After that, you will receive 6-digit number on the same mobile number. Now on the CoWIN portal, you will be taken to the OTP verification screen. Enter 6-digit OTP and click on the Verify button. Once the OTP has been verified, you will be taken to the Welcome screen. Once you have registered your mobile number, you can register 3 more members on the same mobile number if required. Let's see how you can add yourself as a beneficiary and schedule a vaccination appointment from the Welcome screen. Then click on the Register Number button. This will take you to the Register for Vaccination screen. On the screen, select the type of photo ID proof from that you would like to register using. You can use your Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport, pension passbook, NPR smart card or your voter ID. Your photo ID will be verified at the time of your vaccination appointment. Make sure that you provide the details of a photo ID that you will carry for the vaccination. Once you have selected the photo ID proof, type from the menu, enter the relevant ID number. For example, if you have selected Aadhaar card as your photo ID proof, for registration, the form will ask you to enter your Aadhaar card number. After that, enter your name, gender and year of birth as it appears on your photo ID proof. Then click on the Register button to complete the registration process. An individual registered successfully prompted out will appear on your screen. This will take you to the Account Details dashboard where you have been added as a beneficiary. To add more members, you can click the Add Member button on the screen and follow the same process using the new members, relevant details and photo ID. Now let's schedule a vaccination appointment. You can also schedule an appointment for more than one member by clicking on the Schedule button next to their names. Please note that to add multiple members for the same dose 2 appointment, the vaccine and dose 1 date for all must be the same. After clicking the Schedule button, you will be taken to the Book Appointment for Vaccination screen. On this screen, you can find the nearest vaccination center by entering your area's PIN code and clicking on Search. This will show you a list of vaccination centers that are based in and around your PIN code. Also, you can search vaccination center by district. First select your state, then select your district and click on the search button. This will list out all the vaccination center in the selected district with information about the vaccination centers, such as the vaccination center, PIN code, the minimum age allowed to a vaccination center, the type of vaccine and the cost of vaccination if it is a private vaccination center, and the number of vaccination slots currently available on each date. Please note that you won't able to book an appointment at a vaccination center that doesn't cover your age. If you try to select that center, the portal will display a message with the minimum age limit for vaccination at the selected center. On your found a suitable vaccination center with available slots on your desired date and vaccine type. Click on the button that shows the number of seats available for that particular vaccination center. This will take you to the time slot selection where you can select a vaccination appointment time that is convenient for you. After selected a time slot, click on the confirm button. Your vaccination appointment has been successfully booked. You will be able to see the booking information on the confirmation screen. If you wish to download the appointment slip, click on the download button and save it on your computer. To go back to your account details dashboard, click on the close button. If you would like to reschedule a vaccination appointment, you can click on the reschedule button next to the member's name and change the date and time of the appointment. If you have already received your first dose, the due date for your second dose will be shown next to your name on the account details dashboard. To download your vaccination certificate, click on the certificate button next to your details. If you have received only one dose, you will be able to download a provisional vaccination certificate. And if you have received both your dose, you will be able to download the full vaccination certificate. Thank you so much for watching.